There is a new AI model out there that can create segmented 3D models based on one simple image input or a simple text input. So let's suppose if you have a simple image, something like this, and then you can actually create this 3D model, but that's not the important part. The most important part, this 3D model will be broken into these different parts of this. Let's suppose you have this image and you provide this image to this model and it will create this 3D model, but that's not the important part. Most important part is this 3D model will actually understand that okay, this model needs to have this part as a separate, and then clothing part as a separate, and then this body as a separate. So this is a revolutionary new development in this category, because previously what we actually had something like Meshy.ai or this kind of like AI 3D model generation tools that we maybe give a simple text prompt or maybe a simple image, and then it generates 3D models, something like high quality 3D model, something like this. This is not very high quality, but the problem is this is one single mesh. This is single mesh. I cannot separate this thing from it. If I have to separate this, I'll have to then take it to 3D modeling tool, something like Blender, and then I'll have to separate these parts from there, and that's gonna take a long time. And similarly, you can say there's this amazing 3D model, and still it is not usable for me. If I have to use this as a game character somewhere, I cannot use it because it already has this axe equipped already. So I mean, this is I cannot use it as a serious 3D character. I can use it as an NPC, but I cannot use it as a proper character that can have a different weapon at different stages of the game. So this is a huge improvement, because I have been working as a game developer and I know that how important it is to generate NPC 3D models, or those kind of 3D models that can actually play an important role in game. But most of the times this is extremely extremely costly, and it costs a lot to create this kind of 3D models. It takes long time as well. So now with this AI model, this AI tool, we can actually generate this kind of detailed segmented 3D model. So let me just give you another example. So let's suppose this dog. So you can actually give a simple basic text input. It will create this dog model. Then it will actually create a separate hat, and then it will actually create a separate clothing for the dog. The most exciting part is you can actually now edit those different parts of that 3D model. You can simply just give that, okay, now change that hat to a magician hat, or change that something to a something else. So it will actually that or change that based on what we what we want. So this we can create a full-on 3D character with just this tool, because I use 3D modeling software, something like a character creator. So when we create a base 3D character, and if I just want to create something maybe this shirt, so now if I use this tool, by using this tool I can create a separate shirt, and then I can create different variations of this shirt. If you have to do this traditionally as a 3D modeling in Blender or any other 3D modeling tool, something like Maya, it can actually take a lot of time and a lot of money as well to hire a 3D modeler who will design this shirt, then texture it. Then there are a lot of other steps as well to reduce polygons, and then a lot of steps to make this usable, and then apply this on our character. So this way actually we can simply just create a 3D model based on what we have, and then we can just segment that and then use the parts of that 3D model. This is a revolutionary thing, and I think it is going to play a key role in game development, in VR developments, in augmented reality developments. It is actually going to speed up our game development process, especially game development process. Even it can be used in something in composition, in movie production as well. We can create 3D models as a background actors for movie production as well. But yeah, I mean, this is just an amazing model. It is not available right now to test. There's a research paper. It is out there, but it's not available to test ourselves. So hopefully it will be available soon. It is created in partnership with the Meta AI and University of Oxford. So these are the you can say people who have worked on it, and this is just an exciting model. Traditionally what we had is simple text to image, or text to 3D or image to 3D, something like this, that we can create amazing cool 3D models, but still this is one mesh and you cannot change that. So this is a huge development in this field. I hope you liked this short video. Don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. I see you next video.